everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 8 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 8 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter precision. We're going to start with the chapter unit of fraction, unit of measurement, and the lessons we're going to start with is precision, convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Then we'll start a new chapter that is problem solving, and the lessons we're going to cover are multi-step word problems and labs time word problems. So let's just start with the lesson precision, right? We're going to see what is the precision. So what do you know about the precision? So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? So precision means how exact a measurement is, right? Precision means how exact a measurement is. Okay, so when the units are same, the measurement with more decimal places is more precise, right? So the one that has more decimal places is more precise. The measurement with more decimal places is more precise, right? For example, you have two of the measurements, they are 77.02 and 55. They both are in inches. You have to see which of the value is more precise. So which is the correct option? Which one is more precise? The correct option is 77.02 inches is measured to the hundredth of an inch, right? So that why a hundredth of an inch is a smaller unit than an inch. So the measurement of 77.02 inches is more precise, right? The one that has more decimal places is more precise. So 77.02 is more precise than 55 inches. Got it? So the measurement with more decimal places is more precise. Got it? Okay. Let's just do another example. So the next example is you have 11 centimeter and 82.75 centimeter. Which measurement is more precise? Which is the correct option? Yes, 82.75 centimeter is more precise than 11 centimeter. Why? Because 82.75 is measured to the hundredth of a centimeter, right? So that would be more precise. Basically the hundredth of a centimeter is smaller than centimeter, right? So that's why, because you measured 82.75 to the smaller unit, so that is more precise. Got it? Okay, so the next lesson we're going to start is converting between, I think, Fahrenheit and Celsius. That is from the same chapter, unit of measurement, and the lesson is The lesson is convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit, right? So basically, the Celsius and Fahrenheit, they both are the units to measure the temperature, right? So, how do we convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit and from Fahrenheit to Celsius? That's what we're going to learn. Convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit. For example, you are given a temperature in Fahrenheit 59 degree F, right? That is, if you are written, if you have an F with the temperature, that means that is in Fahrenheit. So you have to convert this temperature to Celsius. So you can just keep this very important formula in your mind, that is C equals 5 over 9 times F minus 32, right? That is a formula to convert the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So just replace the value F with 59. F means the temperature in Fahrenheit, so that would be 5 by 9 times 59 minus 32, right? So 59 minus 32 is, hold on, 59 minus 32 is 27. That is 5 over 9 times 27. So 9 times 1 is 9 and 9 times 3 is 27. So 5 times 3 is 15. That means the temperature, that is 59 degree F in Celsius, that is 15 degree Celsius. Right? The correct option is 15 degree Celsius. That's how you convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Basically, you have to whenever you have to convert the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius, note down this formula. This is very important. Keep this formula in your mind. This, you just have to replace the F with the value and solve the formula. That's how you convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius, right? Let's just do another example. We are going to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, right? Okay, so what we have to do when you have to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you have to use the formula, that is F equals 9 over 5 times C, and then you have to add 32. First, you have to multiply them with 9 by 5, and then you have to add 32, right? So the value you are given is, for example, 0 degree Celsius. You have to convert this temperature to Fahrenheit. So how do we convert? Just replace this C with the 0. So you have 9 over 5 times 0 and plus 32. That means 0 times 9 over 5 is 0. So you have 0 plus 32, that equals 32. That means if you have temperature 0 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit, that would be 32 degree Fahrenheit. The temperature is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Right? So that's how you convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Right? Okay, so let's just start with the lessons we have done from the chapter unit of measurement. Let's do their practice questions, then we'll start the next chapter. Okay, we have started with precision. So what is precision? Precision is means how exact a measurement is, right? And if their units are same, the measurement with more decimal places is more precise. That is the precision. So let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which measurement is more precise, 50.4 millimeter or 50.42 millimeter? Which is the correct option? The one with more decimal places is more precise, so obviously the second option is the correct one, because you measure to the hundredth of millimeters, right? So hundredth of millimeter is the smaller unit than millimeters, so the correct option is option number 2, that is 50.42 millimeter. Which measurement is more precise, 7.62 or 7? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 7.62. Option number 1 is the correct option because the one with more decimal places is the more precise. So option 1 is the correct option. Okay, which measurement is more precise, 35 or 35.9 ounces? So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 35.9 ounces. That is the one that is more precise. Okay, which measurement is more precise, 82 or 82.75? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 82.75, right? 82.75 is more precise than 82. So the correct option is 82.75. Okay, which measurement is more precise, 96 or 96.3? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, 96.3 is the correct option, right? The correct option is 96.3. Which measurement is more precise, 77.02 inches or 77? The correct option is yes, that is 77.72. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which measurement is more precise, 80.45 or 8? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 80.45 is the correct option. Which measurement is more precise, 28.38 or 28? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 28.38 pounds, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson we did is convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit. So let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, how many degrees Celsius is how many degrees Celsius is 158 degree F? Use the formula below. So you are given the temperature in So you are given the temperature in Fahrenheit, you have to convert it into Celsius, right? You're also given with the formula, that is 5 by 9 times F minus 32. So just replace the F with a value. The F is 158, right? So that would be 5 over 9 times 158 minus 32. Let me just subtract and see if it is 70. So 158 minus 32 is 126, right? And 126 times 5 is 630, and 630 over 7 is 90 degree. Hold on. 158 minus 32, that is 126. 126 times 5 is 630, and 630 divided by 9 is 70. The correct option is very good. That is 70 degrees Celsius. So just replace the F with a value and do the calculation. So that would be 70 degree Celsius. Very good. Okay, the next one is convert the temperature degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Use the formula below. So 9 by 5 times C plus 32 is the formula you have to use. The correct you have to the temperature is 80 degrees C. So which is the correct option? Okay, so 80 degrees Celsius. Just replace the C. You have to use the formula 9 by 5 times C plus 32. So just replace the value you have 80. Okay, let me just confirm if you think 9 by 5 times C is 80 plus 32. So 9 times 8 is 72. 720 over 5. No, hold on. I am going to do an 5 times 1 is 5 and 6 is 30. 16 times 9 is, hold on, 16 times 9 is 144, and 144 plus 32 is 176. Yes, that is 176, right? When you divide, that would be 176. So the correct option is 176, right? Okay. Okay, the next one is convert the temperature from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. So you are given the temperature in Celsius, that is 50. You have to convert it into Fahrenheit. So that would be, you are in grade 5. So it's okay. I think that lesson is also in grade 5. It doesn't matter. The formula is same. And also you have to do the calculations. Calculations are same. So it's great if you are doing the same in the grade 5, right? So just replace the C with the value, that is, you are guessing the answers actually. 9 by 5 plus 9 by 5 times 50 plus 32. 5 times 10 is 50, 10 times 9 is 90, and 90 plus 32 is 122 degree Fahrenheit. So the correct option is 122 degree Fahrenheit, right? The correct option is 122. Very good. Okay, how many degrees Celsius is 104? F, use the formula below. So which is the correct option? We have to do 104, right? So 5 over 9 times 104 minus 32. Okay, let me just subtract. 104 minus 32 is 72. So 5 by 9 times 72. So 72 times 5, 360, and 360 divided by 90 is 9 is 40 degrees Celsius. So the correct option is 40 degree Celsius, right? Very good. That is 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, the next one is how many degrees Celsius is 59 degree F, use the formula below. So which is the correct option? 59 degree F, you have to convert it into Celsius. So which is the correct option? 59 minus 32 is 27. The correct option is that is 15 degrees Celsius, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is we're going to start the new chapter. We are done with the chapter unit of measurement. We're going to start the new lesson, that is problem solving. I think we're going to start the new chapter, that is problem solving. Okay, here is the chapter problem solving. Let's just start with the chapter. No, no, not in teachers, that's problem solving. Okay, let's just start with the first one, that is multi-step word problems. Okay, multi-step word problems. Let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, a cafe has 11 indoor tables and 4 outdoor tables. Each indoor table has 6 chairs and each outdoor table has 4 chairs. How many chairs are there in all? Okay, so a cafe has, okay, so a cafe has 11 indoor tables, right? Let's just understand the question first. You are given a cafe has 11 indoor tables and each indoor table has 6 chairs. So 11 tables times 6, right? Because each table has 6 chairs. Then 4 outdoor tables and each 4 outdoor table has 4 chairs. Just add them because you have to calculate the total chairs in all. 11 times 6 is 66 and 4 times 4 is 16. So add 6 plus 6 is 12, that is 82. Right? The correct option is 82. That means the total chairs in all are 82. Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Basically, you have to do them step by step, right? Scott want to ride the Ferris wheel, the roller coaster, and the long ride. Log ride. The Ferris wheel cost 4 tickets. The coaster cost 7 tickets. And the big log ride cost 5 tickets. Scott has 3 tickets. How many more tickets should Scott buy? So, which is the correct option? Okay, let's see. He want to do all, right? And Ferris wheel cost 4 tickets. Roller coaster cost 7 tickets. Log ride cost 5. So that means the total tickets he need is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. He have only 3 tickets. So the tickets he need is 16 minus 3. That means he need 13 more tickets to do all these. Right. So the correct option is 13. Got it? Okay, the next one is For soccer season, Brian wants to buy a new soccer ball, a pair of shorts, and a pair of soccer shoes. The ball cost $4.40, the shorts cost $8.50, and the shoes cost $18.10. Brain has $12.60. How much more money did Brain need? Okay, let's just see the cost of all these things together, right? 4.40 for ball plus 8.50 plus for shorts and 18.10 for shoes, right? That is the total money he needed. Let's just add them. 4.40, 8.50 and 18.10. That means the total amount he need is 31. Now he have 12.60. Just subtract 12.60 out of 12.31 and see how much more he need. So 31 minus 12.60 is 18.4. That means he still need 18.40 to buy all these things. So the correct option is 18.40. Got it? The correct option is 18.40. That is option number 1. Okay, Gina saved $36 in March, $11 in April, and $49 in May. Then Gina spent $69 on keyboard. How much money Gina have left? So, which is the correct option? First, you have to add the one she saved, right? This one she saved is 36 plus 11 plus 49. That means the total he have is $96, right? And then out of $96, she spent $69 on a keyboard. So that means 96 minus 69 equals, very good, that is $27. That means she still have $27 in her bank account. Got it? Or whatever in her saving, not bank account. Got it? Charlie's aunt gave him $96 to spend on clothes at the mall. He bought two shirts that cost 12 each and a pair of pants that cost $11 each. How much more? How much money does Charlie have left to buy more clothes? So he buy pair of shirts for $12. Two shirts for $12 each, right? So that means that means that is 2 times 12 and plus a pair of pants, that is 24 plus 11, that is 5, and $335 he spent from 96, and $96 minus $35 is $61. That means still she have $61 to buy more clothes, right? The correct option is $61. Okay, that's the one we did on tutorial. A cafe has 11 indoor tables and 4 outdoor tables. Each indoor table has 6 chairs and each outdoor table has 4 chairs. So, how many chairs are there in all? So, which is the correct option? That's the one we did on tutorial, right? That means the total chairs are 82. So, the correct option is 82. Okay, 20 students and 10 teachers went on a field trip to an art museum. Student tickets cost $8 each and adult ticket cost $13 each. How much did the museum ticket cost in all? You have to calculate the total amount. So 20 students and the students have the ticket for $8. So that would be 20 times 8. Then you have 10 teachers, so the ticket cost 13 each. So that would be 160 and plus 130. So then you add them, that means the total amount they need for the ticket is $290. So the correct option is 290. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is elapsed time word problems. So let's just start with the next lesson, that is elapsed time word problems. Okay, let's just start with the question. Elsie's class took a field trip to the art museum. They left school at 9 a.m. It took them 15 minutes to drive to the museum. They stayed at the museum for 3 hours and 15 minutes. What time was it when Elsie's class left the museum, right? Okay, so they left school at 9, right? They spent 15 minutes to the drive to the museum, and they stayed there 3 hours and 15 minutes. So 3 hours and 15 minutes and plus the 15 minutes they needed for the drive. When you add them, it is 3 hours and 30 minutes, right? So you have to move from 9, you start from 9 a.m. and move 3 hours and 30 minutes. 9, 10, 11, and 12. When you start from 9 and move 3 hours, that would be 12, and then 30 minutes. So that means when they left museum, that is 12 hours and 30 minutes, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. Paula started a spelling test at 8:45. The test is 15 minutes long. After the spelling test, Paula had art class of 1 hour and 35 minutes. What time does Paula's art class end? Okay, so 15 minutes for the test and 1 hour and 30 minutes. Just add them, right? Add minutes to minute. 15 is minute. So 1 hour and 30 plus 15 is 45 minutes, right? 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay, she started from 9:45. You have to add 1 hour 40. So when you add from 8:45 to 1 hour is just add 1 hour. That would be 9:45. Now you have to add 45 minutes. So just break down 45 minutes to 15 minutes first. Add 15 minutes to 9:45, that would be 10, and then add 30 minutes, so that would be 10:30 p.m. That is easy to add, right? When you break down the minutes, that is, here you added 15 minutes first, and then you added 13 minutes. So that means the time is 10:30 a.m. Got it? The correct option is 10:30 p.m. So we hold on. She started 8:45, so a.m. that would be 10:30 a.m. Right? Okay, Ethan and his family went to the beach. First, they swam in the ocean for 30 minutes. Then, they built sand castles for 1 hour and 15 minutes and played volleyball for 1 hour and 15 minutes. When they finished volleyball, it was 12:15 p.m. What time did Ethan's family get to the beach? Okay, so they started at 30 minutes. For swimming they did 30 minutes. Then 1 hour and 15 minutes they made sand castles, built sand castles, and then for volleyball they played 1 hour and 15 minutes. Just add them, right? Add minutes to minutes. 1 hour and 1 hour makes 2 hours. 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 15 minutes also make 1 hour. That means 3 hours they spent on the beach. So when they left the beach, that is 12:15 p.m. So what time they get to the beach? Go back 3 hours, right? That would be 9:15 a.m. The correct option is, when you go back 3 hours, it would be 12:15. So the correct 9:15. So the correct option is 9:15, right? Okay. And his sister. Okay. Austin has and his sister watched a cartoon movie for that was 2 hours long. Then after the movie, they played card game 1 hour and 15 minutes, and then they played soccer for 45 minutes. When the soccer game is when they came in the form from playing soccer, it was 3:15 p.m. What time did Austin and his sister start watching the movie? Okay, the movie is 2 hours long. Then for 1 hours and 15 minutes they played soccer, and for 45 minutes they played game. Let's just add them. 2 hour and 1 hour, 3 hours, 15 minutes and 45 minutes come made 1 hour. So that means the time is 4 hour. So when they end, it's 3:15. Go back 4 hour, right? 3:15, 2:15, 1:15, 12, and 11:15. That means it would be 11:15 a.m., right? Because it's 3:15 p.m., right? So when you go back, it would be 11:15 a.m. So the correct option is 11:15 a.m. Got it? Arlet's math class starts at 10:45 a.m. and will last for 1 hour and 15 minutes. After class, Arlet has recess for 15 minutes. What time does Arlet's recess end? Okay, so 1 hour 15 minute plus 15 minute. That means total 2 hours. It takes from 2 hours for a recess and for the class time. So from 10:45 move forward 2 hours. So that would be 12:40 12. No, that is 1 hour 15 and 15 minutes. That is 1 hour 30 minutes, not 2. 1 hour 30 minutes. So when you go back 1 hour, that would be 9:45. And when you go back 30, that would be, no, you have to move forward. 10 and 1 hour, 11:45. 11:45 and 13, that would be 12:15 p.m. It is because he started at 10:45 a.m. So when it ends, it is 12. When his recess ends, that would be 12:15 p.m. Got it? Okay, the next one is Zach played a video game with 3 levels. It took 2 hours 45 minutes to beat the first level, 1 hour to beat the second level, and 30 minutes to finish the game. He beat the final level and stopped playing at 1 p.m. Okay, so just add the total time, 2 hour 45 minutes plus 1 hour plus 30 minutes, right? Just add 2 and 1, 3 hours, and 45 minutes plus 15 minutes make another hour, and you are left with 2 3, that is 4 hours and 15 minutes. So just when he end, it's 1, go back 4 hours, 1, 12, 11, 10, 9, and go back 15 minutes. That means that is 8:45 a.m. The correct option is 8:45 a.m., right? Okay, we are done with the lesson. You can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on the date math. Chapter we were working on is, we have started with the chapter unit of measurement. The lessons we have covered from the unit of measurement are precision and convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Then we have started the chapter problem solving. The lessons we have covered are multi-step word problems and elapsed time word problems. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.